bags full of crumbs. Comfort the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. The young ones are hungry, their nests are so bare, all it takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bird, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bird. Feed the birds, that's what she